Welcome, today I'm with REALME Pad and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, when you are in the picture mode, you can quickly increase or decrease the brightness level. Take a look right here. You have to tap on the screen and then with this icon you can decrease or increase the brightness level. You can also make it manually by tapping on the screen, and right now our device automatically adjusts brightness level. The same you can make in the video mode. As you can see, it's very simple. When you are in the picture mode, we can find this shutter. It's delay shutter, so we can add, for example, 3 seconds, then tap on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. So it will be useful when you try to take the group photo. For example, you want to put your device on the tripod and you have enough time to go around and just stay in the front of your camera. We can also open the settings, where we can find the volume button action. So as you can see, we got the volume buttons right here on the right upper corner, and we can select shutter or zoom. Let's take a look. And right now when we press volume up button, we can smoothly zoom in. We can zoom to the 6 times, and we can zoom out by pressing volume down button. As you can see, it works very smooth. Of course, you can use this volume button as a shutter, so when you press volume up or volume down, you can take photo. We can also show the grid lines on the screen. As you can see right now, these lines appears right here, and they help us to take better composition of the photos. So for example, if you want to put this logo in the middle, right now with these lines, you will be able to make it definitely easier. And the last option that will be useful for you is the tap to capture. So you don't have to click here, you can just tap whatever you want on the screen and the photo will be taken, just like that. And the last option that we can find is the expert mode, and the smartphones is called the Pro mode. In this place you can find few functions that you can adjust manually. We can find the ISO, also the shutter speed, white balance, where we can quickly change the temperature and the colors on the photos, AF, that's the focus, and the last option is the EV. Of course, if you don't know what's going on here and what all these functions means, you can check other video on our YouTube channel. But that's all, honestly. So I hope that I help you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.